In this video, I'm going to show you how to become an Instagram influencer on Autopilot. Instagram is full of marketers trying to generate leads. Most of them resort to spammy methods like posting with bots, which I certainly don't recommend. Instead, I'm going to teach you a content-based strategy, which nevertheless is scalable and completely automated. If you look at Instagram's rules, it says you can post anything which you have the right to post. This policy basically means that they don't mind you posting content, provided it looks authentic and you have the right to use it. Instagram is a great platform because good content gets rewarded with likes and views, and bad content tends to get ignored. First of all, let's Google free stock photography. You'll find tons of sites like unsplash.com providing free licenses to some amazing photography. These are completely copyright free, and in most cases, attributing the photographer isn't required either. Let's take a look at some of the niches we can find content for. In the pets niche, we have literally thousands of dog and cat photos. People love following these accounts, so it's a good place to start. Similarly, if we search for wealth and money photos, we'll find thousands of amazing images, most of them taken by professional photographers. The travel niche is another one which you can start building Instagram accounts for. I predict that soon this niche is going to be very profitable as people are excited about starting travelling again. As you can probably imagine, there's amazing copyright-free photos and videos for practically every niche. So here's the method, step by step. Step 1. Download thousands of images in your chosen niche and stick them in a folder ready for the next step. Step 2. Open up Photoshop and create a batch process. At this stage, you'll want to make a few tiny adjustments to photos, such as changing the color temperature. This is so that they don't trigger any type of automated content ID system. Alternatively, you can apply a filter so your photos look unified and in the same style. Again, I want to emphasize that there's nothing against the rules with posting these images, but at the same time, you don't want algorithms to detect duplicate content and then demote your posts. Anyway, complete this step by running the batch process on your entire folder. Step 3. What we want to do is post these images automatically over a period of several months. You should post a maximum of 4 images a day, but the slower you go, the safer it will be for your account. To automate this process, you should sign up for a social media scheduling tool. These are services which allow you to schedule your posts, spacing them out over a period of months or even years. The scheduler which I recommend for this method is linked in the description below. Step 4. One of the things which few people realize about Instagram is that you can direct link to offers using stories. Once you reach 10,000 followers, Instagram unlocks an influencer feature where you can add a swipe up to link to your stories. Tons of people will see these stories and then swipe up to check out your offers or landing pages. Just imagine for a second how much targeted traffic you can generate with this method. If you're smart about it, you'll gain a loyal following of users while entertaining them with good quality content. This method is scalable too. You can create hundreds of Instagram accounts for a wide range of different niches. But remember, these are valuable assets which you'll want to protect. I want to emphasize here that you should avoid being spammy. Learn to behave like a real influencer. Only post promotional stories occasionally, and make sure it's something relevant to your audience. Mix your stories up with photos and interesting videos. Remember, you can download copyright-free videos as well. Anyway, that's the full method. I wish you the best of luck, and I hope you make your fortune on Instagram.